Hi, brilliant learners. Are you ready to conquer the 11 times table? It's time to test your math muscles. Let's jump right in and have some fun. Question 1. What is 11 times 3? Is it A, 33, B, 32, or C, 34? The answer is A, 33. Fantastic start. Question 2. What is 11 times 4? Is it A, 43, B, 45, or C, 44? The answer is C, 44. You're doing great. Question 3. What is 11 times 2? Is it A, 21, B, 22, or C, 20? The answer is B, 22. Amazing work. Question 4. What is 11 times 7? Is it A, 77, B, 76, or C, 78? The answer is A, 77. Fantastic. Question 5. What is 11 times 1? Is it A, 9, B, 10, or C, 11? The answer is C, 11. Well done. Question 6. What is 11 times 8? Is it A, 86, B, 89, or C, 88? The answer is C, 88. Keep going. Question 7. What is 11 times 5? Is it A, 55, B, 56, or C, 57? The answer is A, 55. Excellent. Question 8. What is 11 times 9? Is it A, 99, B, 98, or C, 100? The answer is C, 99. You're amazing. Question 9. What is 11 times 6? Is it A, 64, B, 65, or C, 66? The answer is A, 66. Great job. Question 10. What is 11 times 3? Is it A, 32, B, 33, or C, 34? The answer is B, 33. Excellent. Question 11. What is 11 times 2? Is it A, 20, B, 22, or C, 21? The answer is B, 22. Awesome. Question 12. What is 11 times 4? Is it A, 45, B, 44, or C, 43? The answer is B, 44. Keep it up. Question 13. What is 11 times 8? Is it A, 89, B, 87, or C, 88? The answer is C, 88. Well done. Question 14. What is 11 times 5? Is it A, 56, B, 55, or C, 57? The answer is B, 55. Fantastic. Question 15. What is 11 times 1? Is it A, 12, B, 11, or C, 10? The answer is B, 11. Amazing. Question 16. What is 11 times 9? Is it A, 99, B, 100, or C, 98? The answer is A, 99. You're crushing it. Question 17. What is 11 times 6? Is it A, 67, B, 66, or C, 65? The answer is B. 66. Excellent work. Question 18. What is 11 times 7? Is it A. 78, B. 76, or C. 77? The answer is C. 77. Fantastic. Question 19. What is 11 times 3? Is it A. 34, B. 33, or C. 32? The answer is B. 33. You're doing amazing. Question 20. What is 11 times 2? Is it A. 23, B. 21, or C. 22? The answer is C. 22. Incredible work. You've mastered the 11 times table math superstar. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time for more exciting challenges. Bye for now.